here at the Apollo Theater here in Belvidere alongside our Illinois Emergency Management Agency staff and of course our IEMA Director Alicia Tate-Nadeau, Mayor Clint Morris, Senator Steve Stottleman, the Chairman of the County, Representative Dave Vella, and additional state and local emergency management staff. I'm really tremendously grateful to the residents here in Belvidere and to the concert goers and the first responders who risked their lives on Friday night to pull people out of the rubble, the wreckage after the EF1 tornado touchdown here. Lives were saved because of the quick work of the people who lived here and worked here to get that done. There have been teams on the ground throughout the region responding to the severe storms that came through Belvidere and all the surrounding areas. It brings me great sorrow to confirm to all of you at this time, one individual lost his life, 48 others were treated at the hospital, five remain in critical condition. Our gratitude is endless for the lives that were saved, but I hope that you'll all join me in silence and prayer for the injured who face a long road to recovery, and for the deceased, Fred Livingston Jr. and his loved ones. I ask you for a moment of silence. May his memory be a blessing. Yesterday, I authorized a state disaster proclamation for Boone County, as well as for all storm-impacted counties across the state. This will facilitate the delivery of resources to these communities, those who have been affected. I've also spoken with the federal FEMA director and the Secretary of Homeland Security in Washington in pursuit of additional federal resources here in the community. The Illinois Emergency Management Agency is working alongside local officials to assess storm impacts throughout the state. And at this time, I'm pleased to report that the remaining power outages are limited. There are about 4,400 people who still are without power, but they will have it restored by the end of the day. I want you to know that we're continuing to coordinate with the utility companies to make sure everybody gets what they need as soon as humanly possible. The people of Illinois know that when others are hurting, neighbors show up for each other to help to alleviate the suffering. And as your governor, I really couldn't be more proud of everyone involved.